How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be checking out a very simple restoration part from 50 Resto, and that is their header panel reinforcement bracket and hardware kit designed for the 1979 to 1993 box body Mustangs. Preserving Fox body Mustangs is priority number one for 50 Resto. Well, in order to do that, we created this header panel reinforcement bracket and hardware kit. This kit is perfect for the restoration enthusiast out there who is currently in the middle of restoring their Fox body, about to install new front end parts, or they're simply needing to replace a missing bracket. Now, 50 Resto has these brackets stamped from quality stainless steel, so they'll feature that mild polished look that stainless steel is known for. Of course, being that they are stainless steel, they're going to offer great resistancy to corrosion. These brackets are designed to support the header panel and the bumper, and attach to the top of the header panel and the front side of the core support. Along with the brackets, you'll get grade 8 bolts that are zinc coated and speed nuts to properly secure each bracket to the header panel. Installation couldn't be any easier. If you're replacing what you already have, simply loosen and remove the 8mm retaining bolts. Either reuse the factory speed nut or replace it if you so choose. Go ahead and clean the area and then position the new bracket. The flat side will make contact with the header panel, so make note of that whenever you install yours. Thread in the new hardware and then fully tighten. Do the same for the other side, and then you're all finished. Now, if you've been a regular viewer of our YouTube channel, then you guys know all too well that I love these simple restoration parts. Fitment-wise, these brackets were perfect, and the mild look from the stainless steel looks pretty darn well. Now, for those of you that like to add custom touches to your parts, each bracket can be prepped and painted to your liking. Now, for the most up-to-date product pricing and information, be sure and reference LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and of course, for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.